Asda has just been delivered. We are trying to do a dairy-free diet for Aria. It's like an experiment just because we've sort of been advised by a dietitian, so on the NHS. So there is a lot of dairy-free stuff here. I thought I would just show you. So we've got a variety of dairy-free cheeses. So we have a Parmesan substitute. Parmesan's her favourite, so I'm hoping this will be good. We have actual Parmesan, 3 lots of butter. These are just my yogurts for the week. I've got some vanilla and salted caramel ones. These are salted caramel, and well, they're the same ones again. So I've got 4 of each. I love those. Spring onions, a plant-based butter, the tiniest, saddest little cabbage, the tiniest little, so tiny that cauliflower is, an iceberg, big bag of spinach, 2 cucumbers, some Freddos, a variety of milks for Ari to try. This one's for me, but this one and this one. She's tried almond milk and she didn't like it, so we're trying oat and soy, see what she thinks. These aren't I don't know why they're there. French fries, these are her favourites. We found out these are actually dairy free, which is really good because this is her like favourite breakfast cereal. So we got 2 of those that were on 2 for £5. More cheeses to try. We'll see what they're like. Potato waffles, chicken nugget things, lentils, sausages, eggs, golden syrup, this is just because we ran out, orange squash because we nearly ran out, some shallots, some wraps because we ran out, sprinkles to top up my sprinkles tub, 2 lots of passata, orange. I didn't order these were in my basket from last time. I just forgot, I didn't pay attention to when I was checking out. Another golden syrup. I ordered 2 baking powder and 2 bicarb, and they sent me 2 bicarb and they sent me 4 baking powder for some reason, but I've only paid for 2, so I don't mind. 4 tins of sweet corn with lentils, 4 tins of coconut milk for curries, big bag of potatoes, and then this is like little treat bits for Ari. I did order the dairy-free Milky Way Magic Stars, but they didn't have any, so they sent one of these, which I didn't realise I actually already had ordered. So she's got 2 of those with popping candy. A chocolate orange bar, which I think she'll love. Some Chalky Rocks, which I think are like little chocolate covered biscuity things. Like chocolate covered biscuit flavour rifles. And then these are Crunchy Bites. So they're honeycomb with chocolate and they're dairy free. So that's a massive bag. So I'll split that into like 4 for her. And we'll see what she thinks. But yeah, if anyone has any tips on good dairy-free food, let me know. But yeah, this was just a really short little one to show you. I'll put the total on the screen. Yeah, thanks for watching. I love you, bye.